This is the perfect elevator pitch to turn everyday conversations into hot leads. You can use this 3-step formula anytime, anywhere, talking to anyone, and you can customize it on the fly, whether you want to start landing more commercial roofing deals, get referrals from realtors or insurance agents or even property managers, or in situations like when someone says, "What do you do for work?" when you're sitting at a restaurant, you're on a flight, or maybe you're even working at a home show. Here's the 3-step formula. First, you want to address the target market. Call out exactly who you serve. That way they hear it and say, "That's me." Number 2, explain why they call you. So target market calls me when, and then we describe the problem or scenario that's going to prompt someone to reach out or want help. And the third part is we say because, and this is where we explain the desired outcome or the benefit. So all put together, the target market calls me when, because this. Here's how it works. I'm going to give you a few examples. And by the way, you can click the link in the description or go to adamsfreestuff.com and download a free copy of the perfect elevator pitch cheat sheet for you or your sales team. So I just want to show you a few examples. Let's say you're dealing with old roof replacements. You could say, "Hey, homeowners call me when their 20-year-old roof is showing its age, but they're overwhelmed by options and contractor horror stories because I provide transparent lifetime cost comparisons and an incredible customer service experience with a 4.8 star rating." You know, maybe you're dealing with leaks. You could say, "Hey, homeowners call me when the roof leaks and they need immediate help because I provide same-day service, emergency tarping, and an incredible customer service experience with a 4.8 star rating." And now on the insurance side, you could spin this off into all the different scenarios you might face. Like, "Hey, homeowners call me when they're struggling with their insurance company after a roof claim and they're only paying for partial repairs because I provide the documentation and evidence they need to get their roof replaced, and most of my homeowners only pay their deductible." Now, the list goes on, but now imagine how you could custom tailor this to say things like, "Hey, commercial property owners call me when they're experiencing leaks or problems with their commercial building roof because I provide transparent and fast service with an affordable maintenance plan and discounts on repairs or replacements." I could custom tailor this for property managers, realtors, insurance agent, and the list goes on. All you need to know is the formula. Target market calls me when, because. Now, if you want to learn how to ace your pitch in roofing sales in every scenario, jump into this very next video because I'm going to be teaching you the pitching matrix, which will get you prepared for every true to life scenario you'll ever face. I'll see you in the next one.